From massive iron ore rocks to glowing molten steel, witness the complete journey of wire rods, crushing. From raw ore to finished wire rods, watch the full factory process unfold. Crushing, refining, melting, rolling.
See today begins its journey here, inside enormous mines where iron ore has been hidden for millions of years.
To break through solid rock, mining relies on machines powerful enough to handle thousands of tons every single hour.
When rock is too dense, controlled explosions are used to crack the earth with precision and safety.
These trucks don't carry loads. They carry mountains, moving hundreds of tons in a single trip. Each crash of rock represents future buildings, bridges, machines, and infrastructure. Up close, iron ore shows its true nature, valuable metal mixed with unwanted impurities. Even with automation, skilled workers remain essential to control these powerful machines. Iron ore mining never stops at hand, because the world never stops building.
Now the journey continues, leaving the mine and heading toward transformation.
Straight from the mine, this material is far too large to be processed, so crushing becomes the next critical step. These machines apply unimaginable pressure, breaking solid rock in seconds. After the first break, secondary crushers refine the material for precision and consistency. These conveyor systems function like industrial highways, keeping material flowing without interruption. Screening ensures only correctly sized material moves forward in the process. Anything too large is instantly rejected and sent back for reprocessing. Managing dust is critical for safety, equipment longevity, and environmental control.
Consistency at this stage determines efficiency throughout the entire steelmaking process.
With size controlled, the ore now moves forward for purification and concentration. Even after crushing, iron ore still contains waste that must be removed before it can become steel. Powerful magnets pull iron-rich particles away from unwanted rock with remarkable precision. Washing removes fine contaminants that would otherwise disrupt furnace operations. By exploiting weight differences, heavier iron particles are separated from lighter waste. Air bubbles and chemistry work together to isolate valuable iron minerals.
Every adjustment is monitored to maximize yield and minimize waste.
What's removed here will never reach the furnace, saving energy and improving efficiency.
The result is iron ore with a much higher concentration of usable metal.
Now purified, the ore is ready for its next transformation. After purification, iron ore is still too fine, and that creates a new challenge. Binders are added to help fine particles stick together during pellet formation. Rotation causes the powder to roll, slowly forming perfectly rounded pellets. Heat transforms soft pellets into strong furnace-ready material. Only pellets of the correct size move forward for fusion. Everything else is recycled. Inside these furnaces, temperatures reach extreme levels to lock the pellet structure in place. Controlled cooling prevents fractures and preserves pellet strength. The result is a strong, uniform pellet designed for maximum furnace efficiency. Now prepared, the pellets are ready to enter the heart of steelmaking. Inside these colossal towers, raw materials are layered and prepared for transformation into molten iron.
Powerful air blasts ignite the coke, producing heat intense enough to melt iron ore. Oxygen is removed from the ore, forming molten iron at over 1500 degrees Celsius, while impurities float as slag.
The liquid metal is carefully drained into ladles, ready to move to the next refining step. Impurities rise to the surface and are removed, keeping the molten iron pure and consistent.
The furnace operates non-stop, maintaining extreme temperatures necessary for large-scale steelmaking.
Once tapped, molten iron travels carefully to the next stage for carbon removal and alloy adjustments. Every second is monitored to maintain temperature, chemical balance, and operational safety. From raw ore to liquid iron, this is the critical first step in transforming rock into steel.
Oxygen blasts react violently with carbon, remolding impurities and generating extreme heat.
Liquid iron enters the furnace, prepared for its transformation into high-quality steel. Metallurgists carefully add elements to achieve the exact properties required for different steel applications. The liquid roils as carbon escapes, visibly transforming the material into purer steel. Impurities rise to the top as slag, which is removed to maintain steel quality.
Continuous monitoring ensures the steel achieves perfect consistency and strength.
Once refined, liquid steel is carefully transported for shaping into billets or slabs.
The liquid roils as carbon escapes, visibly transforming the material into purer steel.
The transformation from pig iron to high-quality steel is complete, ready for solidification and shaping.
Molten steel is carefully poured into the casting machine, starting its journey towards solid form. Water-cooled molds begin to shape and solidify the steel while keeping its core molten for perfect billets. The billets are drawn continuously, emerging from the casting machine as strong, uniform blocks.
Controlled cooling ensures billets harden evenly without cracks or deformations.
Finally, solid billets emerge, ready for rolling and shaping into steel products.
Surface quality and consistency are essential for the next stage in steel processing.
Billets are cut to precise lengths to meet production requirements. Completed billets are organized and transported, ready for the next stage of transformation. From molten steel to solid billets, the journey continues toward the final steel products. Before rolling, billets are reheated until the glow red hot, making them malleable for shaping. Massive rollers begin to shape the glowing billets, gradually reducing their size while maintaining strength. Through a series of rolling stands, the steel is stretched and shaped into long, uniform rods. Controlled cooling ensures surface quality and prevents cracks during the rolling process.
Guide rolls maintain perfect alignment, ensuring every rod meets strict quality standards.
Every stage is monitored to maintain consistency and prevent defects.
The steel rods now reach their final size, ready to be coiled and cooled. Coiling prepares the rods for easy handling, storage, and transport to finishing areas.
From molten billet to shaped wire rod, this completes the hot rolling stage of steel production.
Freshly rolled rods are carefully cooled to lock in shape, strength, and surface quality. Each rod passes through temperature-controlled zones for consistent cooling. Straightening ensures every rod is perfectly aligned for further handling and shipment. Human expertise and automated systems combine to guarantee rod quality. Cranes and conveyors move finished products efficiently to storage or shipment zones.
Final labeling ensures traceability and meets client specifications.
Steel rods are now ready, completing their journey from raw ore to finished product. From the factory floor to global destinations, the steel rods are ready to be used in construction and industry. Each coil undergoes thorough inspection to catch any surface or dimensional defects before shipment.
Skilled workers double-check key parameters to maintain product quality.
Identification tags guarantee traceability from factory to final destination. Secure packaging ensures rods arrive at customers intact and in perfect condition.
Bright lighting and careful observation reveal any imperfections before final approval.
Organized stacking ensures efficient storage and easy retrieval for shipment. Efficient handling ensures bundles are safely loaded for transport to customers worldwide.
Inventory systems confirm every coil is accurately tracked before shipment.
From raw ore to finished wire rods, the journey concludes PEAM, ready to power construction and industry worldwide.
If you enjoyed this incredible journey from ore to wire rods, hit like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours and industrial secrets.